Hey there, this is Brita with Streak, and I'm going to show you our new contact list features, which also allow you to track custom contact columns. You can find the contact list here in the Streak menu. We have a list for contacts and organizations, and this is, as you would guess, an entire list of all your contacts. So you can, within this list, view contacts, open any of their contact pages, see what pipelines contacts are involved in, so what deals you've added them to. You can also see if they've been added to mail merges in Streak or add them to a new mail merge right here. And one of the most popular requests or most common requests we received that you can now do is add custom contact columns to track things about people that are specific to your industry or your use case. For example, you may want to track dietary restrictions. This is popular like in the travel industry, and you can start filling in, what restrictions people have. And then when you open up their contact, you'll see this new custom column here, and you'll be able to fill that in for all of your contacts. Additionally, you can also import contacts from a Google Sheet or a CSV or Excel file directly into this contact list. This is really useful when you have lead lists or something else that you're not ready to add them directly to a pipeline, but you want a place to hold these contacts and then, of course, come in and add them to your pipelines.